Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to update Labs OBS drivers. So guys, if you have a error where it said that you need to update your drivers on OBS, first thing that you will do is simply open up the OBS, and from here just simply click on the file and just simply go to the settings over here. So guys, if you have a Streamlabs plugin, the settings will be on the bottom right corner of the screen, and you should be able to see the gear icon or the settings as well. And now from here on the settings, just simply go for the output over here, and from here on the output mode guys, make sure you are not on simple, so make sure to put your output mode on advanced. So I cannot change it right now since I am currently recording, but if you do, just make sure that it is on advanced mode. And from here, you can just simply go ahead and provide the recording settings that you want. And you can also go for the encoder settings, which from here you should have an option on the CPU usage that you have. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.